productivity, reliability, safety. Panduit Heat Trace Wave-Ty makes installation of electric heat trace quicker and easier, and significantly reduces risk of injury due to puncture and repetitive motion. Heat trace wave-ties are suitable for a wide range of applications in oil and gas, liquid natural gas, LNG, chemical manufacturing, and other heavy industries. Primary applications for mineral insulated heat trace include process temperature maintenance and freeze protection, which are commonly installed with tie wire. Panduit Heat Trace Wave-Ties install 2 to 3 times faster than conventional tie wire. Heat Trace Wave-Ty offers several key safety features: rounded edges, recessed cutoff, and no exposed hazards. Also, no twisting or pulling motion, which substantially reduces risk of RSI and CTS injury. Installation tools include the ST4MT, ST2MT, and the RT2HT. The ST4MT is our new installation tool, specifically designed for the heat trace wave-ties. This tool has a built-in cutting lever for clean recessed cutoff. ST2MT installation tool is used with standard extra heavy ties. Manual tensioning controlled by operator, this tool uses twist cut mechanism. RT2HT is a manual installation tool with side entry immediate positioning and feeding. The RT2HT is suitable for use with the extra heavy heat trace wave-ties. Heat trace wave-tie packaging makes the product easier to handle on lifts and scaffolding, and less scrap is created on site.